In this video, we will see another command for creating dynamic slices in VEGA. The command is called Slice by Polyline, Perpendicular. This command is similar to the Slice by Plane command. But the difference is that the Slice by Plane command makes slices along the axis, and the Slice by Polyline Perpendicular command makes slices along the polyline. Let's see how this works using the tunnel point cloud example. Let's change the transparency. Draw the polyline. Let's change the transparency again. And now let's run the command Slice by Polyline, Perpendicular. The direction of the slice can be either along the world coordinate system, the user coordinate system, or the current view. Do I erase the polyline after executing the command? Yes. Distance between slices. This tunnel is about 700 meters long. Let's set the distance between slices to 20. The width of the slice itself is 0.2. We will set the width for the buffer using 2 points, the distance between which should be greater than the width of the tunnel. Let's look at our tunnel from the side. When we run the Browse Dynamic Point Cloud Slice command, we see our slices. Unlike the Slice by Plan command, we don't have the option to find the slice by height. By clicking on Next or Previous, we can select the slice we want to see. In this command, it is very convenient to use the option to select only the current slice. And then we can quickly and comfortably navigate between the slices to find the slice we need. Now we can, for example, draw our contour on the slice, using the VEGA command to draw the polyline on the point cloud. With this command, you can draw on a point cloud and be sure that every vertex of the polyline will be on one of the points of the point cloud. A separate video is dedicated to the use of this command. In the VEGA program, there is a very powerful command to automatically draw slices on the point cloud, to create slices as 3D polylines, and to create solids. This command is called Create 3D Solids and Sections by Point Cloud, and a separate video is dedicated to it. Let's look at another example and make vertical slices of this church. Let's change to the top view. Draw a polyline. Select Polyline and Point Cloud. The distance between the slices is 2. The width of the slices is 0.2. Set the buffer value. Let's look at the building from the side. Let's run the Browse Dynamic Point Cloud Slice command. We can see all the slices at once. We can turn them on or off one by one. Or we can set the option to show only the current slice and find the slice we need to work on by clicking the Next or Previous option. Let's see how we can create another type of slice of this building. Contour slices. Let's look at the building from the top. Let's change the transparency and draw a polyline around the contour of the building. This should be an open polyline, so if we need to draw a closed, we should use the end point. Let's change the transparency. The distance between the slices is 1.5. The slice width is 0.1. We set the width of the buffer so that it contains all the elements of the building we need. Let's look at the building from the side. We can see each slice as well as all the slices together. Let's look at another interesting type of slice we can get as a result of this command. Draw on the polyline. Run our command. We select a polyline and a point cloud. Set the distance between slices to 0.5. Set the slice width to 0.05. Select the Erase Polyline option. The dimensions of this point cloud are about 40 by 40. We will set the buffer size to 80, twice the size of the cloud. Let's look at our building from the side. Let's run the Browse Dynamic Point Cloud Slice command. The view type is All Slices. As you can see, the building is now displayed as a grid. Let's look at the building from the top. We can change the color to normal to better see the breakpoints. Now we can do some accurate modeling using the Draw Polyline command on the point cloud.